Hello friends, welcome to learn bb.net. Today we are going to learn a very interesting and important topic, store procedure. Procedure means what? Functions, and store procedure, that are functions which are permanently stored under the database. Okay, I would like to suggest you before going to learn this lecture, if you don't know how to create database in SQL server, then you have to watch database connectivity lecture number 4. Then you will easily understand this concept. Okay, here we have database SQL Server database of flight, as well as here we have table flight master F master, consisting of field, flight code, flight name, source, destination, and fare. Now initially we want to create procedure of insert record. Let us copy it. Okay, then here expand to your database, go right click on store procedure, add new store procedure, delete all these thing and simply paste our code. Okay, remove these comments. Okay, it is a comment. Okay, and then simply use the simply store this procedure, save this procedure. Okay, now here procedure is created successfully, insert record. Okay, then how to call this procedure? Here we have a front end, flight code, name, source, destination, and fare. Then how to call this procedure? Okay, you have to first take a connectivity, write here server name, name of database. After that, assign the connection string to the connection object, use the adapter and dataset. Now whenever you run the program under form load event, you have to open connection. Okay, now how to call that procedure? Here use one command, SQL command. Then important property of command is connection. Okay, after that command type, but here we don't use command type as a text. Here the command type is a store procedure. Okay, then you have to register first parameter p1 as new SQL parameter. Give the name of first parameter. You have to use at the rate sign, SQL type dot integer comma 10. Okay, because this function parameter as string, that is at the rate p1. After that database data type integer and the size 10. After that they register other parameters, command dot parameters dot add with value. Then p1 here within p1 we want to store value of text box 1, p2 value of text box 2, text box 3, text box 4, text box 5, and simply you have to call the procedure insert record, because the name of here name of the procedure is insert record. Okay, and simply execute non query, and here we have message record save. Okay, now let us use this procedure. Okay, click on insert record save, put more records. Okay, now let us create one more procedure of show all record. First create the procedure, simple procedure. You can also type it with one by one later, but here I use copy paste. Okay, simple query, select term from flight master. Okay, now save it. Okay, show flight procedure is created, and let us call this procedure on the command show all. Again, you have to take command, set connection, set command type as store procedure, and command text is show flights. This is the name of procedure. Here command text is insert record, but here command text is show flight. Okay, within this procedure, we have written a simple query, select star from app master. Okay, now whenever you fire this query, then what happen? That query returns some record. Okay, then how to set that record? Here we use adapter. The command of adapter is our current command mycmd. We have to use dataset. Okay, then field adapter with the help of database, and simply whenever this procedure file record, then all that record stored under a tab table. Okay, then set this table to data grid view dot data source and dot show. Let us see the output. Show all. Here we have two records. Okay, then let us see one more procedure for searching. Okay, the enter flight code to be searched. After that again, but before that you have to create procedure of search flight. Now let us create first procedure. Better you have to write procedure one by one word like this, and then copy. You can use copy paste. Now one more procedure is search record. Remove comments. Okay, the field of name is app code, therefore let us change the field name app code. Okay, so let's start from app master where app code is. Here we pass only a single parameter of integer type. Now store this procedure. Okay, search flight. Let us call this procedure in the front end. Again, here we use input box, enter flight code to be searched. After that, there is command object. Again, set the same properties, set connection to command, set command type, and here add with value, register the first parameter at the rate of p1. But within this p1, we want to substitute value of this inputted value t number. Okay, then call the procedure. This is known as procedure calling. Again, take a adapter, because this procedure also return one record. Therefore, you have to fill that record with the help of adapter in dataset, and then again set here data source to a data grid view one. Suppose flight code is 102. Okay, like this you can perform all the operation insertion, updation, deletion with the help of store procedure. You can easily use this concept, but again I would like to suggest you, before going to this lecture, you have to learn lecture database connectivity number 4. Okay, thank you.